Bitcoin was looking a little bit scary overnight, and Kaspa is one of the top performing tokens the day after. Bitcoin's recovering a little bit, and Kaspa is in the top 100 of best performers on the last 24 hours. What's going on here? Let's get into Kaspa, what I expect for this coin in the short term and in the midterm, and what's going on with the total crypto market. And I also want to give you guys a KRC20 token update, the Kaspa standard token standard. Let's get into it, guys. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm hopping in. So Bitcoin is at $54,000. The fear and greed index is low, as I mentioned in my video earlier today. And I'm going to jump back over to Bitcoin because I didn't really talk about this in my video earlier too much. I've been saying for a while now that if Bitcoin breaks with a daily candle close, what was the daily candle close yesterday? A daily candle close below this line, we could have a serious problem. We could be headed to 42K for Bitcoin. If that happens, our altcoins are going bye-bye for the short term. For the short term, guys, not for the long term. But I do believe that we are in a good position right now to see a strong bounce. And if we can hold here, then our altcoins should not be bleeding out tremendously, a tremendous amount more. As for Kaspa, what is it doing right now? Looking over here at the last 24 hours, Kaspa is up 5.51%. Looking pretty decent. Let me pull up the Kaspa chart for you guys. But please remember that we are waiting on that parabolic bull market rally that we just have not seen yet in this cycle. We have seen Bitcoin take a new high, but unfortunately, the total market cap did not achieve that yet. The good news is historically, that always is what we do see. So right now, I mean, Kaspa's in a very nice, steady range, just drawing some very simple lines, something like this. You can kind of see Kaspa's just trading in this range. So worst case scenario, let's say Bitcoin does plunge, and we do see Bitcoin come down to 42K. Worst case scenario for Kaspa, it's somewhere around 12 cents, guys, I think. Because even if that does happen, it would be tough. That's a 20-something% crash, right? That's a 19% crash. I think that would be the bear case scenario for me right now. The bull case scenario in the short term is Kaspa pumping up 50% just to kind of get back up to the top of the band, trying to kind of get into price discovery mode again. And I'm more likely on that scenario right now because we are getting into this month of September. We are 7 days into the month. We have the Fed rate cuts later this month. That could cause a crash to maybe get us back down to this lower trend line. However, the pivot is good. It's going to be a 25 basis point hike instead of a half a point. So not as bullish of news as we might want, which is why I lean that maybe we could tap down to this level. But after we hit this level, guys, October is historically a very bullish month for crypto. I think there's a very strong chance that Kaspa, if I'm going to predict a move for Kaspa, it's going to be a bounce off this trend line or close to it and then up through this level, or at least to this level, right? And that is just simply because, again, this total market cap, guys, is due for a breakout. Now, I did want to look a little bit at the Casper, Ghost of Kaspa, just because they do a great job of updating about what's going on in the Kaspa ecosystem. Now, there are swap functions becoming available on a variety of platforms. Here's the KDX DeFi platform. There's kasplex. There's other ones. You can swap KRC20 tokens. BRC20 tokens are on the Bitcoin standard. I made 50 and 100x on the Bitcoin BRC20 tokens. Can Kaspa be the same thing? It might be. Where are they at right now? Well, they are allegedly supposed to have launched this Kasper token. This is just one example of a KRC20 token. It just so happens to be the KRC20 token that I'm most bullish on. I don't own any yet because I don't think you can own it yet. It's still very hard to find information because it is still so new. Kaspa, though, their Twitter has 210K followers, and we are getting ready for a bull market. It is a top performer on the day, even when Bitcoin is showing weakness, which is very good to see. And this is a historic time to buy crypto, considering that the fear and greed index is at 26. What an incredible discount. This is what this is telling us, guys. I'm not going to get into it much more. I don't need to dive too much more into the Kaspa chart. I think the 12 cents is our bear case. I think that a breakout 50% to the upside in October, possibly even in the end of September after the Fed pivot, is on the table. Are you in agreement? Do you disagree? Let me know in the comments down below. That is all I have for you guys in this one, guys. I am just remaining patient. I'm DCAing into my favorite coins right now, and I'm looking at other ecosystems that I might consider dabbling with in this upcoming bull market, as all of a sudden there's going to be a moment, guys, where everybody's just got extra money to throw around because they're making so many gains in crypto. What are the projects that you're looking at? Is Kaspa in that? Are you buying KRC20 tokens? Is there something that I need to report to you guys on that I'm missing on KRC20 tokens? Let me know in the comments down below. That's all I got on this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash like, subscribe to the channel. DCA HODL. I'll see you in the next one. If you want to trade Kaspa, you can sign up using our link in the description down below for Blowfin. I pinned it in the comment section for you as well. I've got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check these out. I'll see you next time, y'all. Peace.